How to withdraw Telegram stores. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to withdraw your Telegram stores easily. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you've received your stores. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings. Scroll down and look for the stores option in the Settings menu. In the stores section, you'll see your current balance, so before withdrawing, ensure that you have met the minimum withdrawal requirements, if any. And to withdraw, tap on the withdraw button. You'll need to choose a withdrawal method, such as transferring to your linked account or wallet. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details. And finally, confirm the withdrawal by reviewing the details and tapping submit. You should receive a notification once your request is processed successfully. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your Telegram stores. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.